Okay, here's a breakdown of the real estate business landscape in Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Hyderabad, with a focus on agent and consultant earnings. Headline: Real estate business on February 10, 2025. India's real estate market is booming, and these four cities are leading the way. Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Hyderabad are economic powerhouses, attracting businesses and talent from all over the country. This massive growth is creating a huge demand for housing, commercial spaces, and industrial properties. Let's break down why these locations are such a goldmine for real estate agents and investors. Mumbai, India's financial capital, has always been a major player in real estate. Its iconic skyline and vibrant culture attract people from all walks of life. The demand for housing is through the roof, especially in areas with good connectivity. And while luxury properties are a big part of Mumbai's appeal, there's also a strong market for more affordable options. Down south, Chennai is a major hub for IT and manufacturing. This brings in a steady stream of professionals looking for places to live and work. Chennai offers a good quality of life at a more affordable price point compared to Mumbai. Plus, the city's infrastructure is improving, making it an even more attractive option. Bengaluru, India's very own Silicon Valley, is absolutely exploding with growth. Young, talented professionals are flocking to the city for exciting job opportunities and a vibrant lifestyle. The demand for housing is off the charts, especially for modern apartments and high-rise buildings. Hyderabad, meanwhile, is quickly becoming a major IT and business center. It's a more relaxed city compared to Mumbai and Bengaluru, but it's got plenty of energy and ambition. Hyderabad offers good investment opportunities, especially for those looking for long-term growth. Now, let's talk about the earning potential for real estate agents in these cities. With such a high demand for properties, agents can expect to stay busy and build a successful career. Commission rates vary depending on the type of property, residential, commercial, or industrial, but they're generally higher in bigger cities with more expensive properties. In Mumbai, for example, agents can earn upwards of 2% commission on a luxury property sale. In Bengaluru, Chennai, and Hyderabad, the average commission tends to be around 1 to 2%. Real estate consultants, on the other hand, typically charge an hourly rate or a flat fee for their services. Their earnings depend on their experience, the complexity of the project, and the value of the property they're working on. High-end consultants working on luxury properties or large commercial deals can make a lot of money. Overall, the real estate market in these four cities is booming, and there's never been a better time to be in the business. Whether you are an agent or a consultant, if you're willing to put in the work, you can build a successful and rewarding career. To stay updated on the latest trends and opportunities in the Indian real estate market, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and contact us 9,840,336,999, website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in.